Hi everyone, welcome to this session of the Tiger Academy, How to Trade Stocks on the Tiger Trade app. In the previous lesson, you learned the 5 most common types of orders used for US stock trading, and you learned that each order type should be carefully selected and planned. In fact, at this point, you shall have some understanding of how the US stock market works and what order types are available to you. But there's more to learn. To start this lesson, in order to better prepare you for US stock trading, I'm going to teach you some additional important functions of the Tiger Trade app. These functions will not only enable you to better assess the trend of stock prices, assess information on listed companies, and track the performance of your account, but will also help you trade stocks more conveniently and accurately. Now, let's get started. Number 1, how to view stock quotes. Open the Tiger Trade app and a watch list will appear in front of you. You can use the watch list to keep an eye on stocks or ETFs that you want to track. So how do you add stocks that you're interested in your watch list? It's as simple as clicking on search in the upper right corner of the page, entering the stock code you want to follow, and clicking on select. In Stock Quote platform, which displays a lot of stock information, including real-time stock prices, the rate of price increase or decrease, the ratio of buy and sell orders, the K-line chart of stocks, trading volume, total market value, PE ratio, PB ratio, and other basic information. Included with the quotes is information about the industry sector of the company, technical analysis, capital analysis, data on large individual inflows and outflows, intraday changes, and other information. All of reference data you'll need to trade stocks is found here. After clicking Trade, you can go to the order screen we spoke about in the last lesson. Here is an important term you should know: bid-ask quote. How should we understand the information displayed on the screen? To some extent, stock trading is like going to the grocery store to buy things. It requires 2 parties, a buyer and a seller. The transaction will only happen if the buyer and seller agree on the price. Imagine if a grocery store had hundreds of buyers and sellers all trading the same items at the same time. Would you be the first to close a deal? You must have already figured out that the buyer willing to pay the highest price and the seller willing to sell at the lowest price would be the first to complete a transaction. On the screen, the buyer with the highest bid is called Buy One, and the seller with the lowest offer is called Sell One. Once Buy One and Sell One have found counterparties to complete a transaction, it will be the other buyers and sellers' turn in the queue to close a deal. On the Tiger Trade app, you can see 40 levels of bid-ask quotes, which is very useful to you to find good price levels at which to buy and sell. Of course, based on what you learned in the last lesson, only a limit order will allow you to choose your price. If you choose a market order, your order is most likely not going to be filled at the price displayed by Buy One or Sell One. Number 2, how to trade stocks. After you learned how to read the quote screen, you should understand how to trade stocks at the price you have in mind. Next, you'll need to learn how to place an order on the Tiger Trade app. It's actually very simple. Find the search bar and enter a stock code. Click Trade, then select Buy Long or Sell Short. After entering your trading password, you'll see the order screen. Select the type of order that suits you, such as a limit order. After entering the price and quantity for your transaction you have in mind, click Place Buy or Sell Order. Once done, you'll see the transaction information displayed at the bottom of the order status, which means the order has been successfully placed. Number 3, how to check your stock account. After completing the trade, return to the main screen, click Portfolio, then click Tiger Prime Account. You'll now be able to see the total assets in the account. You'll also see your daily P&L, unrealized P&L, overnight excess liquidity, leverages, orders, analysis, and so on. Click on Tiger Prime Account in the upper left corner to switch to Demo Account, where each account holder will have a virtual capital of $100,000 with which to practice trading in the stock market. Most of the trading functions of the Demo Account are the same as those in the Tiger Prime Account. So before you begin any actual trading, the Demo Account is a great tool to give you some trading experience and understand the risks inherent in trading. And let's be honest, who doesn't love playing with free money even if it's only virtual? Number 4, where to find the hottest information. In addition to being able to trade stocks, you'll also need to have access to the most up-to-date information about stocks and the markets to assist you in trading. This information can be found by clicking on Community in the main screen. Here, you'll find not only official hot news, but also many original articles written by experienced investors. It's also a place where you'll be able to interact with other investors and publish your own investment opinions. But what if you only want to see information about the stocks you own? It's very simple. Just enter a stock code in the search bar, click on News or Posts, and you'll see news that's only about that stock. Number 5. How to find financial reports of companies. Some investors may ask, can I access information and financial reports of listed companies on the Tiger Trade app? Of course! After searching for your stock using its symbol, click on Filings, then click on Financial Report to get the complete financial report of listed companies. If you think a financial report is too long or obscure, you can click on Company and then click Financials. Here, you'll find financial report data compiled by the Tiger Trade app, including any changes made by the data within the past 5 years, which is very suitable for analyzing financial reports. Click Profile in this screen to see the company profile, directors and executives, divided information, institutional holdings, market reviews, and other data. Now that you're clear about the above operations, this lesson is coming to an end. Let's sum up what we've covered. How to view stock quotes, how to trade stocks, how to check your stock account, where to find the hottest information, how to query the financial reports of companies. Having learned the methods in this course, you shall know how to place a trade on Tiger Trade app now. Tips? Use your demo account to practice first, because as they say, practice makes perfect. Starting with the next course, we'll move on to advanced strategies for investing in US stocks. Once you've learned these, you'll be able to understand the method for selecting high-quality industries and listed company stocks. You will also have learned how to use common technical chart formations to identify suitable trading opportunities. I'll see you next time!